that learning should be very fun and engaging. So I'm going to try my best to make this class as interesting as possible. And now I'm so excited to explore more about force and pressure. Come, let's learn together. Are force and pressure are the same thing? No. Let's understand the difference between both. What is force? It means push or pull on an object. Force is a physical quantity, which means it is measurable, and its SI unit is Newton, which is denoted by capital N. Okay. Do you know what instrument is used to measure force? Any idea? Yes, it's spring balance. So look here. This is how we can measure the force. In this picture, it shows how it measures according to the weight. Is it visible? Because here, see the values, how it differs. So in the last picture, it shows 3 Newton. So this is how we can measure the force. The next part is pressure. What is pressure? So in our day-to-day life, we are facing a lot of pressures, right? Like study pressure, exam pressure, work pressure. So இது எல்லா ப்ரெஷர்ஸுமே நம்மளோட மைண்டில் தான் இருக்கு, right? But in physics, pressure is produced when force is applied on an object. எப்போ வந்து pressure produce ஆகுதுன்னா நம்ம ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட் மேலே external force கொடுக்கும்போது. So pressure depends on two factors. One is force applied on an object, and the second thing is area of contact. The pressure formula is pressure is equal to force by area, right? So here, greater the force, obviously the pressure will be more. Okay. Next, area is a denominator, which means greater the area, when the area is larger, the pressure will be less. Okay, when the area is less, the pressure will be more. Now I'm going to explain this formula in a simple way. Look here what I'm having in my hand. I'm holding a pen like this. Okay, நான் என்னோட இந்த பென்னை இந்த மாதிரி 2 fingersல ஹோல்ட் பண்ணிருக்கேன். Okay, now I'm going to give equal force on both sides. நான் ரெண்டு பக்கமே equal force கொடுக்க போறேன். equal force கொடுத்து நான் அழுத்துறேன். But what happens? My left finger, இந்த finger இருக்கு இல்லையா, எனக்கு இது hurt ஆகுது, வலிக்குது. இந்த இடத்துல நான் எவ்வளோ அழுத்துறேனோ எனக்கு அந்த இடத்துல வலிக்க ஆரம்பிக்கும். பட் அதே ஃபோர்ஸ் தான் இந்த பக்கமும் நான் கொடுக்குறேன். But it doesn't hurt. Okay, why it didn't hurt on my right side? Because look at the area. My area of right side, my area of thicker side is very much thicker than this side, left side. எனக்கு என்னோட ரைட் ஹேண்ட் பக்கம் இருக்கிற அந்த ஏரியா வந்து ரொம்ப திக்கரா இருக்கு than this side. So when area is more, my pressure will be less. Okay, so இந்த பக்கம் எனக்கு pressure கம்மியா இருக்கு because area வந்து இங்க அதிகமா இருக்கனால எனக்கு pressure கம்மியா இருக்கு. But this side, what happened? My area is very less. So area கம்மியா இருக்கனால எனக்கு என்ன ஆகும்? When area is lesser, my pressure will be more. So எனக்கு pressure அதிகமா இருக்கு. So pressure அதிகமா இருக்கனால தான் எனக்கு இந்த பக்கம் hand வந்து finger வந்து hurt ஆகுது. Okay. Next, SI unit of pressure. So from the formula, pressure is equal to force by area. So pressure is equal to force உடைய unit என்னது? SI unit is Newton, capital N. Area க்கு meter square. So pressure is equal to Newton per meter square. So this is also known as pascals, which is denoted by PA. So this is the SI unit of pressure, is Pascal. So for example, I have taken force as 50 Newton and area as 2 meter square. Pressure, now you have to calculate the pressure formula. P is equal to 50 by 2, which is 25 pascals. So this is how we can calculate the pressure. Now I hope you all are clear about force and pressure. Thanks for watching.